ULV is short form of ultra low volume, which in our application is used to determine size of spraying droplets. Applying less than 5 liters of liquid in 1 lakh square feet surface area. ULV droplets are in range of 0.5 to 30.0 microns. Let us unbox the machine to start. Read the instruction on chemical label before use. Machine should be kept 1 meter above the ground and 2 meters from the area to be sanitized. The electrical motor works at 35,000 RPM and 700 watts. Suction of air through rear side of the fogger. At this time, with pressure of air and water, the formulation is sharded by the Vortex nozzle and very fine ULV mist droplets are delivered out from the nozzle. Droplets travel distance of 18 to 20 meters. These droplets comes in contact with the microbes, bacteria, virus and kills the same instantly or with the exposure time of 30 minutes to 90 minutes depending on chemical used for disinfection. Our machines cover front and back side both area without making an investment in the rotating turntable. Important parts of the machine. High-speed motor with protective fuse. First time in history for motor protection. Nozzle. Front nozzle. Wrong way of functioning of machine. Right way of machine working. Warranty 12 months and service across India. Foggers India Private Limited. Visit our website www.foggersindia.com. Write us at sales@foggersindia.com. Call us on 0224077455. Customer care number 9322832766.